Hello everybody and welcome back. As a really short update regarding the Lasercut PC case series, I've made a new set of parts, and this one is different in the regard that these new parts are actually interlocking. So basically you have one of the side panels, and the back part sticks through, and the end of which can then interlock with the top part. So this mates up, and you can then just push it in and it will lock into place. And I think that is a pretty nice update, because it solves the problems of these side panels coming apart so easy, and it also solves the problem of having the glue mess up all the edges. And I've really been struggling with the different gluing solutions. That being said, I've tried out something else. I have one of my CO2 dice here, and I've glued this one together using clear silicone, and it actually worked really good. You can see the silicone, yeah, but it didn't mess with the surface of the cuts. So in essence, this thing holds together really well, but it doesn't mess up any of the parts that you've lasered, so you don't have any bubbles or blemishes. So this is a really nice solution, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to putting together this PC case, because I think with the interlocking parts, putting it together is going to be a lot easier. And I don't know how well these interlock. It could well be that when you don't need the case anymore, you can just take it apart and it won't take up any space. That would be really nice. So, okay, that's just a short update. Thank you very much for watching, and bye-bye.